Hey, what is going on, everybody? I hope you guys are all doing well. It's Friday, about 4:40, getting ready for the weekend, but I had to put this out there for anybody who is interested in taking some action rather than talking and doing a bunch of extracurricular nonsense this weekend. So, we're going to talk about Clickbank, Warrior Plus, and JVzoo. And as a bonus, I'm also going to throw in Lunchi. Those are some websites that you want to be familiar with if you are interested in affiliate marketing and promoting other people's products and services in order to earn a commission. That's what we're talking about today. So the reason I felt the need to do this video is there's so many people online looking for ways to make extra money. And affiliate marketing is one of the ways that I have been really studying and learning about to be able to generate some income. So I've been trying to help some people online understand the concept and figure out how to get resources and tools to help them accomplish the same thing. Clickbank is a website that a lot of people use to spread the news whenever they're creating a product that they want people to check out. They might create that product and set it up on Clickbank so that affiliate marketers, people who want to earn money from promoting these products and services, can come onto this website, see the product that's available to promote, request to promote it, grab a link, and go ahead and promote it. So that's how it works. You have to join one of these networks that I just talked about, Clickbank, Warrior Plus, or JVzoo, and sign up as an affiliate, and that will allow you the opportunity to grab your unique affiliate link and promote it. Any company's product or service that you're promoting, they're going to be in charge of tracking all the sales that are made and paying the commissions. You don't have to do anything but focus on promoting that product. Now, you see right up here where it says create your account. This is where you would go once you get on clickbank.com. Create your account. I'm going to click this here so see where it takes you. Boom. There you go. So it has the information for you to fill out here. Once you fill this information out, then you're pretty much good to go. Join Clickbank. You can see at the end, that's all you need to do. So put in your information and hit join, and your account's created. You'll get your unique ID, and you can now start requesting products to promote. Let me just click over here and log in. There you go. This is what you're going to see once you're logged in and into the marketplace. So what you want to do to find products, there it is, marketplace. Click on the marketplace, and you can see on the left side here, everything in red are the different categories. All these different categories are categories that you could jump into and find products or services that you might be able to promote. Looking at this, let's just choose e-business and marketing, e-marketing. If you click on this, boom, there you go. You can see where the products are that are available to promote. For example, we're on Clickbank, and the first product you see here is Clickbank University. 70,000 plus students, reoccurring for life. Join us. So that means that they have 70,000 plus students already in this Clickbank University program. They're offering reoccurring revenue if you're promoting this, and people are joining to get information on how to promote Clickbank products in their Clickbank University. And look at this, the average sale is $323.16. So just like that, if I wanted to promote it, I'll click this promote button here, and then I could say generate my hop links, and there goes the link right there. So all I would do is take this link, promote it to anybody interested in joining Clickbank University, and if they purchased the course or whatever it is that they're selling, I make money. So that's how affiliate marketing works. You need that link in order to promote that link and share information, obviously, on what the person is going to get once they get access to Clickbank University. You can also find that information by clicking over here, because it'll take you to the sales page. So on this page, you'll get more information about what Clickbank University offers And obviously you can see here there's even a video. So you can learn about the products that you're thinking about promoting before you promote them. Some of them have a lot of other resources for you, like email swipes, graphic images that you can use on social media. Or if you've built an email list already, you can send a list. You can send an email to your list promoting whatever product or service you have in mind, like Clickbank University. And if your audience is excited about learning from Clickbank how to make more affiliate revenue, then they might decide to purchase this, and then you make money. So again, getting your affiliate link is crucial, and with that link you now have the freedom to promote it however you choose, whether it's through email marketing, social media marketing, whatever it is you're doing, sharing it with friends and family, just through a text message, whatever. As long as people, again, click on the link and make a purchase, you make money. Hope this is making sense. I'm going to jump right over to Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is the same exact type of network as Clickbank. Sell digital products for you to be able to promote to your audience and make money as well. Now, once you're inside of Warrior Plus, it's going to look similar to Clickbank in that they have a marketplace, and you just click on this marketplace and you get an idea of what products and services might be available for you to promote to your audience. And same way, you can look at information and find out about the product, about the vendor, the creator who is selling this product. There's lots of information here for you. So just look at this first one, Brendan Mace Xmas Super Bundle. If I clicked on this here, I can see exactly what this product is about and what the Super Bundle has in it, and if I wanted to promote it or not. So the information's coming up. I can see that. Oh, ends tonight. What do you know? I got 4 hours and 14 minutes and 30 seconds to make a decision. And that's Brendan. He's over there telling you all about the product and what it has inside. So again, similar to Clickbank in that, oh God, there's so many products over here. Similar to Clickbank in that you find a product that you want to promote, learn about the product, and if you think that your audience can benefit from this product, share it with them. Again, the whole goal when you get into business is help people solve a problem. If their problem is making money online and this particular Christmas bundle can help them make money online and you can see how it's going to help them, all you need to do is review this product, let them know that it's available on the marketplace, and they can purchase it through your unique affiliate link, and that's how you get paid. But you have to do the work to actually get people interested in a product that they know nothing about, because if you weren't the one sharing and giving them the information, then they wouldn't know about it. So keep that in mind, guys. Affiliate marketing is simple, but it's not easy. It's a simple concept to understand, but it's not easy. You have to actually do work in order to see results. So boom, it's just an example that you guys can see, but there's tons of products just like on Clickbank. Same thing. All you have to do is get your affiliate link, go ahead and promote it. So let's see, affiliate offers, because I'm an affiliate. I'm going to see what the offers are on this, and let me show you guys how to get your link within the Warrior Plus platform. Real easy. So again, these are all the offers. Some of these offers I'm currently promoting. You can see get link here. I'm already promoting this. Get link here. I'm promoting that. These that say request, if I wanted to promote, let's say, done for you profits, I would click request. And then you must be approved by Moshberry to promote this product. Moshberry is the product creator. All I have to do is request approval and say request, and boom, it sends a request notification to the seller, and he'll get back to me and say, yes, you've been approved, or no, you're not approved to promote my product. But it doesn't matter if you're approved or not by one specific one. You can just go on to the next one. If you don't get approved, chances are you're going to get approved, because the model is set up to be a win-win for the product creator and the affiliate marketer. Because more people get to see the product, the more people are promoting and pushing it. Of course, the owner and the creator is going to be pushing his product because he wants sales. But the more people, the more affiliates he can get behind that product, the more eyeballs he can get to see what he's created, and the more chances he's going to make a sale and make some money. So again, it's a win-win. Business model is awesome. Everybody gets to take a piece of the pie home, okay? Last thing we're going to talk about is JVzoo as far as the networks are concerned. So JVzoo is another network just like Clickbank, Warrior Plus. And the reason I'm showing you guys all these different options is that some people watching this video, you may be in a country that does not allow you to sign up for one or more of these platforms. So there's 3 different options, and I'm pretty sure Warrior Plus pretty much is worldwide. I think JVzoo, but I'm not 100% sure, so don't hold me on that. But you can pretty much get on, I think, Warrior Plus from anywhere in the world and request affiliate links and start promoting anything that you're interested in. So JVzoo, again, similar. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to get into your account, and you can see affiliate. You can get to the products and see what's available. And once you get in there, you can now find a product that matches your audience. These are all the products that I'm actually approved to promote. And if I wanted to find new products, I can just, select the categories and find whatever I'm looking for here. So again, similar to what we've gone over with Clickbank and Warrior Plus, I'm not going to spend too much time going over this again. If there's any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to provide some answers to make sure that you understand. I was helping somebody out earlier today, and they had a question for me, and they said, hey, how do I get started? I'm trying to learn, I'm trying to take action, I'm trying to do something, but they really didn't have an idea of what product to promote and how to get started. So this is a recommendation that I gave him, and I would recommend that you guys check out this website as well. It's called Lunchi. As you can see, you can sell or market products. So you can get on as a vendor to promote your products that are upcoming so that affiliate marketers can find them, or you can come on as an affiliate marketer and get information about new products and promote those at the same time. Okay, so looking down at this website, you can see right here, big launches, all launches. Everything in yellow, you can see, are things that they want to draw your attention to, but you can promote any of these products. These are probably upcoming launches that you want to keep an eye out for. So some of these product creators will become familiar to you as you continue to jump into affiliate marketing and experience different products and check them out. So let's say Neil Napier Meat VO, $97 at 50%. So that means that if you promote this product at $97 price point and you get 50% every time somebody buys it, let's just round up, call it 100, you get 50 bucks, right? Not bad. But there's some products, like you can see here, Aiden Booth, the Kibo code. This is a $3,500 product pretty much. At 50%, you get half of the commissions there. So not bad if you're, into high ticket products, and if you can really get an audience that is interested in spending this kind of money on whatever this product is. I don't even know what the Kibo code is, but you can see how affiliate marketing could be very profitable. If somebody sells, 2 of these, they pretty much have made, somebody's monthly income. So the amount of time, again, that you spend promoting products, it's going to be the same. I don't care if you're promoting a product like this at $47 or you're promoting a product like this at $3,500. You're going to spend time to learn about the product, research the benefits, the pros and cons, and how it's going to help your audience, and then turn around and promote that so that you can generate some revenue for yourself as people see the value and make a purchase if it fits what they're looking for. So I hope this is all making sense. I want to just pretty much wrap it up with this particular website because I think it's a good way for you to start reviewing different products that are coming out and get an idea of what you might want to promote if you're just getting started. And like I said, the same amount of effort and time it's going to take for you to promote a low ticket, it's going to be the same to promote a high ticket. So keep that in mind, but don't just promote products just based on the amount of money that you can make. Again, hope this makes sense. If you guys have questions, ask them in the comments section below. And feel free to subscribe, hit that bell notification. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.